Hello, and welcome to Math 172 Finite Mathematics. I am your instructor, Yvonne Sandoval, for the semester. This video is just a brief introduction to the D2L course homepage for us this semester, where you should be clicking to get things done, where you should be looking to get help, for example. You probably just entered in your username and password, and you now are on the landing page for our course homepage. Once you get here to the first landing page, you'll want to go through and make sure to read announcements. Announcements are an important area where I communicate with you what you are working on, what you should have turned in. Be sure to always go through and look at announcements. Announcements should be checked, if not every day, at least 3 or 4 times during the week. Okay, on the right, you should see my instructor information. These are my furry kids. This is Simba, Maui, and Raja. Also, I have in my instructor information office hours that I have available for you to schedule a Google Meet. If these office hours don't work for you, please email another day and time and we can get that set up. In our course, we're lucky enough to have an embedded tutor. An embedded tutor will help answer questions, and he has a link here that you can schedule office hours with him and go one-on-one with questions that you might have, say, regarding homework. The cool thing with embedded tutors is they're working in the class with you, so that means they know when you say, oh, I didn't get this from chapter 3, problem 7, he's going to say, yeah, that problem did stump me a little bit. Let's talk about it and get it figured out. Okay, so we have an embedded tutor, Bruce, in our course. Other tutoring services that are available to you, we're not on campus. If we were on campus, you could walk into a campus's tutoring center, but now they went virtual like we all have in these times. Here's how you can walk into the virtual tutoring center when you need help. There's also NetTutor. NetTutor is 24/7. If it's Sunday night at 11 p.m. and you need that physics, math, or chemistry, accounting problem, they tutor all areas just like PCC's virtual tutoring does. You can get help 24/7 with NetTutor. Okay, Gmail, library information, and then these two down here are important. If you ever have D2L issues, something, links not working, or maybe something is not acting right within the D2L experience that you're having, you can come in here, click on Find Answers. When you click on that Find Answers link, that you can look at frequently asked questions or get chat help. Also, virtual student support services are included at the bottom here as well. Advising and counseling. Okay, so as the schedule for the summer gets posted and you want to know what classes you should be enrolling in, advising will help you out. Make sure to always work with your advisor. Student life. Here you can maybe join a student club. Lots of cool activities for students in student life. Another tutoring link. Again, another library link, same as above. Tech support and the testing center information are all down here under virtual student support services. Okay, so this is our course homepage. As soon as you log in with your username and password and you click our Math 172 course, this is where you start out with. Check announcements. If you need help, you've got office hours with me, you've got office hours with the embedded tutor, you have the virtual tutoring center for PIMA, net support, the library, all kinds of interesting things that you can take advantage here on the home page. Okay, once you log in, always read through announcements. The announcements is, again, my way to give you information like what's due, a test is coming up, what homework you should be working on, what module you should be in. Okay, so announcements are very important. Be sure, again, too, if you're not reading them once a day, that you are here at least 3 or 4 times a week. Okay, then the next place that you would go is under content. Under content, you would start here in the Start Here module. The Start Here module contains our syllabus, a schedule of work for the semester, so you know when exams are coming up. There'll be a syllabus quiz and an introduction to post so that you can meet your classmates. Then you would go on to Module 1. In Module 1, we're learning about linear functions, all the links out to the homework, quizzes, the discussion for this model are here, and so be sure you get each one of those completed. Then where would you go after Module 1? Module 2, Module 3, the exam module, etc. Announcements and content are the main flow of the course. Okay, under assessments, you can directly get to an assignment or a discussion, and that's sort of a shortcut. But my preference is content, go into the module, so you're clicking on the right quiz, the right discussion, the right homework set. If you need to know your current grade, you would click on grades. You can look at your current grade. Again, like assignments, discussions, and quizzes, things you're going to work on, go through content and the module just to be sure that you're getting everything completed. Okay, if you're clicking here and there and you're not sure where you're at, you can always click the main course name up at the top. Once you click that main course name up at the top, that will always take you back to our course homepage. Hope this helps, and if not, post in a discussion and I will sure to be able to answer. Welcome to the class, and we're going to have a great semester.